Hello, welcome to the Quite Vibrant channel. Today we're bringing you two most viral scenes ever of President Barack Obama boarding and disembarking Marine One helicopter. In May 2013, when President Barack Obama initially forgot to return a salute from a U.S. Marine while boarding Marine One, but he quickly realized his mistake and returned to render a proper salute, a handshake, and exchanged a few words before boarding the helicopter again. In May 2015, during a heavy downpour at the White House, President Obama was pictured holding an umbrella for his senior aides, Valerie, Jarrett, and Anita Breckenridge, as they walked from Marine One to the Oval Office. This act was widely described as a display of kindness and a gentlemanly gesture.